Greetings. The topic of this podcast is how to use AI to improve personal productivity in the USA. Boost your efficiency now. Imagine this: you're at your desk, cup of coffee in hand, ready to tackle your day. But there's one problem: your to-do list is as long as a phone book, and your energy feels like it's running on empty. Then, a thought crosses your mind: what if I had a personal assistant, someone who could handle all these small tasks, leaving me more time to focus on what really matters? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Enter AI. Welcome to the world of AI-powered productivity tools that are here to take your productivity to the next level. Let's dive into how AI is changing the game for personal productivity, especially here in the USA, and how you can start using it today to make your life a whole lot easier. I remember a time when I was drowning in emails. My inbox looked like a battlefield, with new messages arriving faster than I could handle them. It wasn't just overwhelming, it was exhausting. Then, one day, I stumbled upon an AI tool designed specifically to handle email management. With just a few clicks, I had an assistant that sorted my emails, flagged the important ones, and even responded to routine inquiries automatically. It was a game changer. I went from feeling buried in messages to having more time for strategic thinking and actual productivity. If you're like me and spend a significant portion of your day just managing emails, AI could be your new best friend. AI isn't just for tech companies or large enterprises. It's now accessible to everyone, and it's not just about automation, it's about smart productivity. Think about this: AI tools can automate mundane tasks, helping you manage your time efficiently, prioritize your work, and even get reminders so you never miss a deadline. From personal assistants like scheduling apps to advanced task managers, AI makes it possible for you to stay focused on the things that matter most. Picture this: you're in the office kitchen, making a sandwich, when someone pops by to chat. An hour later, you realize you've lost track of time, and your tasks are piling up. Now, what if AI could step in and give you reminders or even track how much time you're spending on each task, including those sandwich break conversations? AI can send you subtle nudges, letting you know when it's time to get back on track, all while keeping your productivity high without sacrificing those much-needed moments of social interaction. Important tips: the sauce ingredient. Now, here are the top tips to really make AI work for you. Task automation: use AI-powered tools to automate repetitive tasks. Whether it's scheduling meetings, sending reminders, or even generating reports, let AI take care of the mundane so you can focus on strategy. Time management: AI-driven time trackers can analyze your work habits and suggest improvements, helping you maximize productivity without burning out. Focus boost: use AI tools to filter out distractions. Set apps to only allow specific websites or apps during work hours, and watch your focus soar. Data insights: AI doesn't just help you do tasks, it can also help you understand your work patterns through data analysis. Use this to optimize your day. Some FAQs. How can AI help with personal productivity? AI tools can automate repetitive tasks, organize schedules, prioritize to-do lists, and provide insights into your work habits, ultimately freeing up time and increasing efficiency. What are the best AI tools for time management? Popular AI tools for time management include intelligent calendar apps that schedule meetings for you, time tracking software that monitors work patterns, and task managers that optimize your to-do lists. Can AI assist with email management? Yes. AI tools can prioritize emails, sort them into categories, and even automatically respond to routine inquiries, allowing you to focus on the important messages. How does AI improve focus at work? AI tools can block distracting websites, manage notifications, and suggest breaks, helping you stay focused and productive throughout your workday. Is AI cost-effective for personal productivity? Many AI tools are available for free or at low costs, and they offer excellent value by saving you time, which ultimately enhances your overall productivity. Can AI improve task prioritization? AI algorithms can analyze your tasks and deadlines to recommend the most important ones to focus on, ensuring that you're working on what truly matters. How does AI impact long-term productivity? AI helps establish efficient workflows, reduces the chances of burnout, and continuously learns from your habits to suggest improvements, which increases long-term productivity. What are the security concerns with using AI for productivity? Security concerns with AI are minimal when using trusted, encrypted tools. Always ensure the AI tools you use are GDPR and CCPA compliant to protect your personal data. Can AI help with personal growth? Yes. AI can assist with personal growth by offering tailored suggestions for improving work habits, focusing on key skills, and helping you set achievable goals. What's the future of AI in personal productivity? AI will continue to evolve, integrating more deeply into daily workflows, offering even more personalized insights, and automating increasingly complex tasks to save time and enhance efficiency. By strategically using AI tools in your day-to-day routine, you can maximize productivity, streamline your workflows, and make more time for the things that truly matter in both your personal and professional life. Make AI your productivity partner, and watch how it transforms your efficiency.